Kuki Militant sama pandrom Manipur da sangsilaktuna tha asigi loisilakpa sarukta attack tawrukpa yai haiba paw si phangbadagi Surasanpur, Tengnopal, Ferzol, Kamjong amadi Ukhrul district ta security forcing high alert ta leire haina Manipur lenga ki Security Advisor Kuldiep Singh na phongdorakli ngasi si Minister Secretariat ki Darbar Hall da phangthokpa pawgi mifam amada Kuldiep Singh na hai paw asi phangbadagi haukiba September 19 da Chief Secretary ki Conference Hall da Strategic Operation Group SOG gi mifam kauke Mipamaduda Army gi makok thongbo official sing yauna State Force Home Commissioner amadi Tuan Central Force gi makok thongbo official sing sarugya ke Mamangda rocket amadi missile yauna drone dagi bomb thadarakpagi matang sing pukhatuna Mipamaduda kumna khanaki haire loinana packet kadaba thorang sing state asige kasin koya sin batuna leiriba security force sing da khangan krai karigumba Kuki Militant ni singnaba sing leiragade mafam adu security force na question duna thamnaga combing operation sathagani haire masida sunatana Ngamkhai gi saruk singda mathau toriba security force singda su mikup na hom singna laina ba khangan kre haina Kuldeep na phongdoke amaromda license paiduna explosive material yauna drone ge masak sing yonba dukan singda mideng sangna ba district magistrate singda khangan khibaga loina railway line sembage thabak sathariba singda su mideng su sangare haire masiki sumathakta security force na anti drone system season aduna mikup na hom singna lairi hoji fawda security force na puna bunker samri ga hompunipan thugai kre haina su Security Advisor asina phongdoki ba loinana hoji fawda puna miyoi samanga ga control doi fawangam le hairi Assam Rifles ki hanagi DC na Manipur da drone season aduna bomb thadaki ba leite haiba wafam yauna Maitai police amadi Kuki police haina khaidok le haina phongdoki ba wafam adugi matang da marilina ba singna karamba action la khatpa leiravage haina SKTV news na hangba wahangi paukum da hiram adugi matang da NI na tejinduna asengba puthokna ba honari haina paukum piki Paumi Singh na hangba atopa wahang amagi paukumda Kuldeep Singh na hai operation tawba matamda tampaki lamda kuchu khulai hena fariba sigi maramde tampakta operation sathabada thoina ruboide security force na phagat kiba nomai lising aniga satruk marifuni thoige manungda nomai lising amga chamri romde lut tawkiba nomai nate haina sumahna makha takhe loinena singi mafam singda operation sathabada kudongsa daba kya mai unai adumapu security force na singi lam sing dagi su khulai kya phagat pa leptre haina phongdoke
Steps taken have been separated to all the far-flung areas and all the forces so that they are briefed, they are discussed in detail, and if any kind of input or any kind of preparation from the side of the militants is seen, then it should be kept in the part. The input was shared with all these as I discussed, and then input is being shared with different intelligence agencies also, because they have to develop it. Because once 900 people are coming in a group of 30 each or less than 30 or more than 30, they will definitely go somewhere, halt somewhere, they will need food and shelter. So all these kind of inputs from various agencies, various intelligence agencies will have to be gathered, and wherever we find that this kind of people are roaming around, that area has to be cordoned off, bombing operations have to be done, and then immediately we go ahead with that. Now, for this, police department has also alerted their border police. They are all checkposts. The Assam Rifle, which is border guarding force, they have been alerted sufficiently so that there is a smooth operation or there is a smooth action taken for anti-drone system to operate. 2 battalions of CRPF have come to replace 9 AR and 22 AR, because 9 AR and 22 AR are required to go to Jammu for operations there. What 60,000 soldiers are doing? They are maintaining peace. Because of that, we are all sitting here calmly. Otherwise, both the communities would have been fighting like anything. They are keeping violence at a very low level. These 60,000 forces are keeping violence under control. The total number of weapons which had been looted were more than 6,000. Now, the weapon recovered are 2,681. Out of 2,681, only approximately 1,200 weapons are looted weapons. Then 1,400 weapons are not looted weapons.